So today we're actually taking out the autopilot unit, and more for maintenance and precaution than anything else. To be fair, we're going to check out the bushes, the gears, and a clutch if it's got one. I'm not too sure which model this is, but yeah. So this is a Raymarine Linea drive. That's control boxes there. I just need to take 3 wires off and then unpin the back bracket and then unpin the front bracket, which you can hardly see, but it's on the other side. The other one has ret. So yeah, once we've done that, we can lift it out. So this is the other end of the Linea drive. So it's just one bolt really that you take off. The whole unit should come out. You can see the quadrant there. A bit rusty actually. Have to check on that. Yeah, it's just always awkward to get to. But we'll give it a good look over and make sure everything's okay. Yeah. So we took off the cover first of all, that covers over the motor, and obviously we're not taking the motor off because there's no black dust, and that would probably mean that the brushes are okay. You've then got the drive, which is planetary gears here. They determine where the arm is. We've got the belt, which drives that, and we need to replace the belt. Because it has the heavy duty planetary gears, we're going to leave them. We may take a spare set with us on the Atlantic crossing just in case, but the chances of them getting damaged are very small. So they're just going to clean them up, put some oil on them, re-grease them, and that should be fine. We're looking at the electromagnet now, and by what we've been told, if this is yellow or discoloured, then you've got a problem with the magnet itself, and that's fine. That looks like new actually. This is the other part of that magnet, and that fits onto the planetary gears there, and then the electromagnet goes onto that, and that's how it drives the actual unit. Yeah, so we're just going to clean this up. Once that's done, we've got the other side of the electromagnet to go back on. Looking at the inside of this, there's no wear on it whatsoever, so we're probably going to leave that, just give it a clean out. And,
when you say no wear on it, how do you know what you're looking
well, the
for?
splines all the way around, and the splines look okay, they're not damaged or missing, so we're just going to leave that as it is, put that back on. You can buy the rings separately, so maybe worth getting one just in case, because that's the only part, being plastic, that might break. But everything's tight, and basically, other than that, the unit's okay. Yeah, so just putting it back together now, and this is the planetary gears cover, and I'm just putting a little bit of grease on it. It's the Harken grease that we use for the winches, to be honest. You're not supposed to put a lot on, just a sort of a small amount. So I'm just doing it with a brush, and it should be okay. I mean, this sort of grease is for this sort of thing, so nobody's actually told me which one you're supposed to use, but